In today's video, we are going to make a tutorial on
how to use Facebook Messenger's screen sharing using iPhone. How to use Facebook Messenger's screen sharing using iPhone.
what is screen sharing.
Screen sharing allows one caller to show the contents of their own displays or files with one or more others in a video chat. Here are the 5 steps on how to use Facebook Messenger's screen sharing using iPhone.
Step number 1. Go to Messenger. Step number 2. Select the person you want to screen share with. Step number 3. Make a video call.
When answered, click the screen sharing button.
Hi, hello.
When he answered, it looks like this on his phone. Mine looks like this. Click the circled button. That is for screen sharing.
Step number 4. Click Start Broadcasting.
And you're now ready for screen sharing. When you see the red button is on, it means Messenger is broadcasting or sharing your screen. On his phone, he was able to see my screen display when I went there. I also went to my calendar and clock. Indeed, he was able to see my screen shared.
Step number 5. If done, just click Stop to stop broadcasting. That's it, we're done.
Thank you for watching.